In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Notion AI account. First, let's start by heading over to Google. Once you are there, just type Notion into the search bar and hit enter. You will see a few results pop up, so go ahead and click on the main link that says Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. This takes us straight to their homepage. Now that we are on the site, move your cursor down and click the prominent button that says Get Notion Free to begin setting up your account. This redirects you to the sign-up page where you have a couple of options. You could manually type your email address into the field, but to make things faster, I'm going to skip that step. Instead, I'll move down and click the Continue with Google button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to choose your Google account. Simply click on the account you want to link and it will authenticate your login. It takes a few seconds to load as Notion prepares your AI-powered workspace. Once loaded, you will be greeted by the Welcome to Notion page, your new personal dashboard. Take a quick glance at the navigation sidebar on the left side of your screen. Let's test out the AI features by creating something fresh. Move your cursor to the left sidebar under the Private section and click on New Page. On this blank canvas, you will see a few setup options. I'm going to click right on the Ask AI button to generate quick content. A small text box pops up where you can give the AI a prompt. I will type create a schedule and wait a brief moment. Watch as Notion AI automatically builds out a fully structured professional daily schedule template right before your eyes. You can scroll through to review the layout, and once you are happy, easily tweak it to fit your exact needs, and that's it. That's how you create a Notion AI account.